I don't think one should, keep questioning about cricketers having name, fame and money. I think they deserve it. They've been making the country very proud. You notice on the streets and, they are already very famous. They make us very proud every time they step out of a country or play in the country. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि हम कुछ भी ऐड कर पाएंगे into the game of cricket, लेकिन मुझे लगता है just like a fan, और एक हमारे पास opportunity थी जो ललित ने IPL create करके हमको दी, पवार साहब ने, so we have just gotten into it. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमको कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा इन लोगों से, इनकी जो organizational skill है, इनकी जो tactical skills हैं. When you meet all the cricketers off the field, you realize that there is a huge amount to learn from them. I don't think हम कुछ cricket में नया कर पाएंगे, but yes, 2020 as a format, I truly believe at least 51% is sports of cricket and then 49% entertainment. So वो aspect जहाँ तक हम कोशिश करेंगे कि सारी की सारी teams जो हैं to entertain the people in 3 hours also.
The music video of Knight Rider is very interesting. It's very hip. It goes with the way Shahrukh Khan has been known to be an entertainer. First of all, who has directed the music video? And do we see any of your actress friends coming in for cheerleading you during the matches?
I'm sure Ishant would want Katrina Kaif, but the music video is the music is done by Vishal Shekhar, and it's directed by Ganesh Hegde and the team at Red Chillies, all the young boys. And all these ads were made by 2 youngsters, actually Sujoy Ghosh, one of the regular directors, who's wonderful, and there is Buffy and Deven, who directed all the other ads. Really, they've done a great job. These are the first ads they've made. And actresses, etc. See, like I said, obviously these are friends, and when we do more stuff, which we'll keep doing in terms of entertainment, I'll request some of the girls to participate in it. And of course, a lot of girls belong to Bengal and Kolkata, so they will want to support the team, so they'll come on board. And I'll also take this opportunity to thank someone else. They're all partners here, but we've got all publicity. See, it's very important to make this team pan-India. So मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि हर जगह पर अपनी टीम की presence हम करें कि youth को समझ आए इसके बारे में. So bright outdoor publicity people have been very kind. They've come aboard. So बड़े businessmen, medium-sized businessmen, movie stars, actresses, like I talk about this bright outdoor displays. Everybody's come aboard to support the philosophy. So जैसा आप सिर्फ actress का पूछ रहे हैं, मैं बताऊँगा कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो इसमें participate करेंगे इंशाल्लाह.
Mr. Khan, the fact that you happen to own a team of your own, and the brand ambassador that you are for the country, does it become an extra responsibility of sorts for you personally, that you have to ensure that this team is successful? I mean, regardless of the cricket, the fact that you are leading the team, owning the team.
See, with all jokes aside, and the way I talk on press conferences, and I'm an easygoing kind of guy, but I'm a very responsible person. I truly believe that if I'm participating in something, there is a deeper philosophy and cause behind it. Whether it's a movie or it's a television work, like I'm doing a television series now, Panchvi Pass, that is also based on entertainment, education for youngsters and the grown-ups. So I do try to be responsible. I make light of it, because my job as an actor or as an entertainer is really not to bore you with the details of how responsible or how hardworking or how intellectual I am. My job really is to just let you be entertained. So yes, I'm very responsible to these youngsters here, that I do create an environment where they feel comfortable, they feel happy, they feel wonderful, led by Saurav and John, and are able to gel with the international team. And at the end of 2 months, I hope they feel that it was a great experience of playing cricket when we did with Knight Riders. That's my responsibility first. The winning and losing, like I said, is part of the game. I hope we win, we pray we win, we'll play to win. But that is not a part of responsibility any sportsman has. The sportsman responsibility, as Ishant said, Murli was telling me backstage, is to give their 100%. And we all will give 100% to make the team to win.
Shahrukh, talking about your...
Who? Sorry? See, it's a new format. There will be issues, and once they get resolved, like Lalit said, when the dust settles, a lot of things will become clear. And I mean, with full respect to Bala Sahab, I hope he understands. I'll go and try to explain to him at least the motive for our team, and I'm sure we have huge amount of love and respect for him. And if he has a point, it should be clarified by the associations concerned. But I can't really speak for at a personal level what do I think of it. But yes, it's a new thing. बहुत सारे लोगों को लगेगा इसमें चीज़ें ठीक नहीं हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों को लगेगा चीज़ें ठीक हैं, और मुझे लगता है हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है ये एज इंडिविजुअल टीम ओनर्स. ललित की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, IPL की है, BCCI की है, कि जहाँ पर भी कोई भी खामी हो या कमी हो उसको समझें, सुने और पूरा करें, बिकॉज ये नई चीज़ है. And all the views should be welcomed and looked at with positive. And if someone as important as Bala Saab says something, I think we need to take heed of it and understand and try and rectify if there's some mistake in it.
इशाद, आप शाहरुख खान से काफी इंस्पायर्ड हैं, तो क्या आप सिक्स पैक भी बनाएंगे उनकी तरह?
मेरे ख्याल से मेरे पास वही चीज़ें बनाने के लिए.
मैं थोड़ा लंबा होने की कोशिश करूँगा. मैं ईशान से बहुत इंस्पायर्ड हूँ.
Shahrukh, you were talking about the game show as star, like IPL and the game show trying to collide. What are you planning to do the TRP ratings for IPL as well as your game show? Are you planning to, take the date forward to launch the game show or something like that?
See, I'm really not the producer of these shows. I'm just the anchor and the actor in this. और मैं IPL नहीं चलाता, मैं अपनी टीम चलाऊंगा. तो जो भी डायरेक्टर्स मिलेंगे IPL से, हम वो डेट फॉलो करेंगे. जो भी डायरेक्टर्स मिलेंगे स्टार टेलीविजन से, they will understand the two different formats, the timings will be different, and I think both of them will rock. Panchvi Pass will be fantastic. It will be at a different time, and that is also for the whole family, and this is also for the whole family. So I don't think ऐसा कोई problem होगा clash के अंदर, और collide is a very strong word to use.